Okay, we've had our lunch and now we're on page 6. Okay, so page 6 has a little tuck in here which is made from one of the stickers. What I'd recommend is go through afterwards and choose which one you want to do. It's just mounted on 3D foam. And then this is a flap that lifts down. And then in here you have a pocket here. Just find a piece of paper for you. You have a pocket there. That's a little pocket there. That's again from the sticker sheet. And that's a pocket there. Okay, so just keep that one there for reference. So here's my page plan. So page 6. That's my hinge side pull down flap, and then sometimes when I'm drawing the flaps I just put a little tab there so I know it's a flap. So then on this side, this is with the flap pulled down, so inside I've got a little horizontal strip pocket there, horizontal pocket there, decorative strip, and then my page there. Okay, so let's just get organised with this. So page 6, make sure, yep, page 6. So it's going to have a flap that fits on there like that, and then I'm going to have my page top which is there, and the bottom is there. So what I might do, let's move it up, that's better, like that, and that's going there like that. And then inside we're going to have, so I'm just working out, inside we're going to have our script there, that's going to be a pocket, so that'll be on there like that.
I think it thought it had.
Yep, sorry, that'll be on there like that. Then we'll have a decorative strip across here, and then we'll have this piece here, and then another decorative strip along there. Okay, so they're the inside ones. And looking at that now, I'm going to stick this flap on first. So piece of white paper just to make it easier to line up, and the flap's going to open down, so it's going to go on this line.
Do you want a bit?
You're going to ask me if I want some glue?
Glue on? Yes, I am.
Well, I've had my lunch, so theoretically I should be all refreshed. Yeah, not bad. Okay, right, so that's that like that. I'm just going to run that along there. Right, so now we were having matching.
That was the top, that was going at the top.
That was going at the top there, and this one's going here. So what I really want to do is pull that up a bit so that matches a bit more. So what I'm going to do is just put a little mark there. I might not be able to get it right. So if that was stuck there, and if my pocket is here, yes, that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to trim this bit off. Sometimes with the paper matching things, when I give you the measurements, I always try and give you them sometimes a little bit more, just so you've got a bit of play with it. I think that's quite rude to get lost. Okay, so we're going to stick this one on here first of all. And I've inked all the other edges, but I'll have to ink that one now. Oh, I put them in my perfect project box. Thank you, Kay. Which she's now sorting out. Okay, so a bit of glue along here. Line that one up. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So that's my front one. Yeah, so that paper matches. You can see now the pattern matches really nicely with the heads. Yeah, they weren't all chopped off before. I can move that out of the way. So the next thing I need to do is stick my magnet, although that's going to go on there, so I think I'm going to stick it on the front of that one. In fact, if I stuck my magnet here and then put it there, as you slip things in, it's going to catch, so that's why it's going to go on the top of the pocket. So I'll put that on there. That should cover, yeah, okay. Right, magnet next. So here's one mag pop magnet on. Stick side up. Burnish that a bit there. And then if it's not sticking down, just poke you. That's it. Oh, that works. Okay. You see it's still sticking up a bit, so I'm just going to give this a bit more burnishing. That's it. Okay, so that one there is going to be this on here inside. And you can see I've got a gap there, but that's why I've got the strip there. So I'm going to stick this one now. And guess who had to do an emergency repair here?
Is that one of your special emergency repairs?
One of my special emergency repairs, yes. I don't know, sometimes you're so in the zone and you think, yes, that's that measurement all the time, and then for some reason you just cut it completely wrong. Okay, so this one's going down to here.
You've got to make sure you can close the flap. So just checking, just
Don't
checking.
stick that into the hinge there.
Just checking. Just to prove that I'm awake.
I'll put this one on here. Oh, I've gone back to colour. Let's go back to this one. Yeah, because I can see that's not straight, is it?
What's not straight?
That. Good job I'm putting a strip on it. Okay, and then that's going to go on there like that. Yeah. Oops. Again, that's just to help with lining it up. Yeah, that's fine. So that's that there. You could put a sticker there, you could put another little band along there. So the next one down here is going to be this one here. Again, make sure you're not in the actual crease of the fold. A bit more glue just under there.
You can just move that back.
Sorry. Disappeared out of shot then, didn't I? Sorry about that. Right, okay, that's that there. So we'll have a strip along here. This is going to be a little horizontal pocket. And that will stick on there. Make sure you've got your script up the right way when you're gluing your pocket, because obviously when you stick anything with the script on a flap that opens down or up, you need to make sure it's the right way when you open it out.
Tip.
Okay, so that's there, so that's a pocket, and then we've got the last bit to stick on here, which is going to be that one there. And again, think about if you've got your dies and things. I know in the picture I think we've got a sticker on here, but you could cut a tuck in here, use a whisker die, use straight slot, use, what else could you use? I just thought of something that's gone out of my head. Oh, photo slot.
Photo slot, yeah, I was thinking. I was trying to work out had you said that.
No, you were thinking, has she actually got anything in her head?
As if I would think that. I know the answer.
I know yours is all full of numbers and everything else. Yes, I know. Right, okay, so that's that there. So that is page 6. Okay, so in here you've got your little tuck-ins. Let's see, you've got a tuck-in pocket there, you've got one there, and then you can go in. All the stickers that I use, I actually map them on black card and then just cut round them again because I just think it helps it pop. If you don't want to do that, just go around with a black Sharpie. So you could choose a different choice. You can map them up, you could run ribbon along there, black card, make it a ballet band, all sorts of things. I'm going to do those later though when I've finished it. Right, so that's that page.
Okay.